Hey, my chickadees. Welcome back to the back 40. Okay, I just did this video and recorded the whole thing without the mic being cut on. So this is our Margaret Miller collage week 30, and I was showing you the prompts of week 30, which is something associated with a place you have visited, something ornate, textured paper, a flower or plant, a clothing tag, and the bonus was a sewing stitch, reel drawn, or stamped. And I did something with the place visited was the brown bag there that I jelly plated over. Something ornate was the alcohol dyed rose, lace rose applique, and the fabric that I cut out the butterfly from. Also, the textured paper is the napkin that I spray painted and crinkled up and put on the paper. A flower or plant is the rose and lilies there. A clothing tag I didn't have, and the sewing in real stitch is that in the bottom corner there. And that is our week 30, and I even left a spot that you'll see for the tag there. So proud of myself. Okay, my chickadees, y'all have a wonderful week, and I will see you on the next go round. Bye. Love you.